Friends, what is up? Welcome back to our space for growth and learning. Today we are diving deep into a topic that is buzzing everywhere, from college canteens to corporate offices. I am talking about cryptocurrency. You have heard the words, no? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. It feels like everyone, especially the young and ambitious hustlers like you, is talking about it. This is not just a trend, it is a financial revolution happening right before our eyes. It represents a new way of thinking about money, about ownership, and about the future itself. It's the digital gold of our generation, a chance to be part of something massive from the ground up, and that is truly exciting. Think about it. Our generation is all about breaking the old molds. We are entrepreneurs, creators, and innovators. We look for opportunities that our parents never had. Cryptocurrency fits perfectly into this mindset. It is decentralized, meaning no single bank or government controls it. This idea of financial freedom is incredibly powerful. For many young professionals in India, it feels like a level playing field, a chance to build wealth outside the traditional systems. It is a world of high risk for sure, but also potentially high reward. The key is to approach it with knowledge and a calm mind, not just with FOMO. So why should you, a busy young professional, even care? Because understanding crypto is about more than just making a quick buck. It is about financial literacy in the 21st century. It is about understanding the technology that is shaping our future, like blockchain. Getting into crypto investing is like learning a new language, the language of digital finance. It can open up new ways of thinking, new investment strategies, and potentially new streams of income. It is a journey of self-education and empowerment. This is your chance to get in early and learn the ropes while the game is still evolving. Before we jump into the how-to, let's set the right intention. Our goal here is not to get rich overnight. That is a recipe for disaster. Our goal is to learn, to understand, and to invest smartly and carefully. We want to build long-term wealth, not gamble our hard-earned money away. This guide is your first step on that journey. We will break it down, simplify the jargon, and give you the tools you need to start with confidence. So get your chai, open your mind, and let's begin this incredible journey together. Let's decode the world of crypto. Okay, so what exactly is this cryptocurrency thing? Let's break it down, beer bicep style. Forget all the complicated jargon for a minute. Imagine digital money. It is like the money in your bank account, but it is not controlled by any bank or government. It is purely digital. You can send it to your friend, buy things with it, or hold it as an investment, all without needing a middleman. It is like a global digital cash system that lives on the internet. This is possible because of a super smart technology called the blockchain, which is the real magic behind it all. Think of the blockchain as a public notebook, but a digital one. Every time someone sends or receives crypto, the transaction gets written down in this notebook. But here is the cool part. This notebook is not in one place. It is copied and spread across thousands of computers all over the world. This makes it super secure. To change a record, a hacker would need to change it on thousands of computers at the exact same time, which is almost impossible. This is what we mean by decentralized. It is a system built on trust, but the trust is in the technology, not in a company. Now you have probably heard of Bitcoin. It was the first ever cryptocurrency, the OG player. Think of it like the Shah Rukh Khan of crypto, the one that started it all. But today, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, which we call altcoins. Some, like Ethereum, are more than just money. They are platforms for building new kinds of applications, like digital art, NFTs, or financial tools. Others might be created for specific purposes, or sometimes just for fun, like Dogecoin. Each one is different, with its own technology and purpose. So to put it simply, cryptocurrency is a digital asset secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit. It runs on a distributed public ledger called a blockchain. It is a peer-to-peer system, meaning you can transact directly with another person. The value of a cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, goes up and down based on demand and supply in the market, just like stocks or gold. It is volatile, it is new, and it is full of potential. Understanding this basic concept is your first and most important step before you even think about investing your first rupee. Feeling ready to take the plunge? Amazing! Let's walk through the exact steps to make your first crypto investment. It is easier than you think, I promise. The very first thing you need to do is choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of an exchange as a digital marketplace, like a Flipkart or Amazon, but for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. In India, we have some fantastic user-friendly options like WazirX, CoinDCX, or CoinSwitch Kuba. These platforms are designed for beginners and make the process super simple. Your job is to research them, check their fees, security features, and which coins they offer. Once you have picked an exchange, the next step is to create an account and complete your KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. This is a mandatory process, just like when you open a bank account. You will need to provide your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and a selfie. Don't worry, this is a standard security measure to prevent fraud and follow government regulations. It keeps the platform safe for everyone. The process is usually quick and happens entirely online. Once your KYC is approved, you are ready for the fun part, adding money to your account. Now it's time to fund your exchange wallet. You can easily transfer Indian rupees from your bank account to the exchange using methods like UPI, NEFT, or IMPS. The exchange will provide you with their bank details, or you can do it directly through their app. It's usually instant or takes just a few hours. My advice: start small. Seriously, invest an amount that you are completely okay with losing. This is not a place to put your emergency funds or your life savings. Think of it as your learning money. Maybe start with just 500 or 1,000 rupees. With money in your account, you are ready to buy your first crypto. Exciting, isn't it? Go to the market or buy section of the app. You will see a list of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on with their current prices. Select the one you want to buy. You can choose to buy a whole coin or just a fraction of it. For example, you don't need to buy one whole Bitcoin worth lakhs of rupees. You can buy just 500 rupees worth of Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to spend, click buy, and boom. Congratulations, you are now officially a crypto investor. Dosto, with great power comes great responsibility. The crypto world is exciting, but it is also like a jungle with hidden traps. Your number one priority must be safety. The biggest threat is scams. You will get DMs on Instagram or messages on Telegram promising guaranteed high returns. They will say things like, double your money in 24 hours, or join our secret pump group. Please, please, please remember this. If it sounds too good to be true, it 100% is a scam. Nobody can guarantee returns in crypto. Block these people immediately. Never share your passwords or account details with anyone. Next up, let's talk about where you store your crypto. When you buy on an exchange, your crypto is kept in a hot wallet on that platform. It is convenient for trading, but it is also connected to the internet, which makes it a target for hackers. For larger amounts that you plan to hold for a long time, consider moving it to a cold wallet. A cold wallet is a physical device like a USB drive that is not connected to the internet. Brands like Ledger and Trezor are popular choices. It gives you full control over your assets, making it the safest way to store your crypto long-term. Another key tip is to do your own research. We call this DIOR in the crypto community. Don't just buy a coin because some influencer on YouTube told you to, or because it is trending on Twitter. Before you invest in any project, ask some basic questions. What problem does this crypto solve? Who is the team behind it? Is the technology solid? Read their white paper. It's like their business plan. A good project will have clear goals and a strong community. Investing in something you don't understand is just gambling. True investors make informed decisions. Finally, my friends, be mentally prepared for volatility. The crypto market is a roller coaster. Prices can go up 20% one day and drop 30% the next. It is normal. The key is to not panic sell when the market is down or FOMO buy when it is shooting up. If you believe in the long-term potential of the technology, these short-term movements shouldn't scare you. Invest consistently, perhaps using a strategy like a systematic investment plan, and have a long-term vision. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay curious, stay safe, and invest wisely. You've got this. Keep hustling.